this is Jewelyn and Catherine. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to July's drilling pot video. I like doing these videos on my channel at least once a month to inspire you to drill holes in your planters. And this is Catherine's first time drilling pots.
I'm excited, yes, first time.
So Catherine's been housing some planters of hers in my patio for I want to say over a month. And we finally matched up our schedules to go ahead and drill her pots. So today we're drilling Catherine's pots, and maybe you can talk about the pots as we go through them. And I hope this inspires you. If you're interested in the drill bits that I do use, everything is in my Amazon store. The link is in my description box. Give this video a big thumbs up for having Catherine back on the channel. Stay tuned because we just discussed that I am going to talk about our top 10 dramatic plants that are currently living in our collection. I'm excited to go through hopefully maybe all of my plant friends collection and do that top 10 video with each and every one of them, because I know for me and probably for you, we have different dramatic plants. It'd be kind of interesting to see also if we have similar plants, maybe the same plants that's also giving us drama as well. So stay tuned. Catherine will be back on the channel, and I would hopefully like to do that before I go to the Philippines. In today's video, we are going to drill up. So I have my drill here, I have my drill bits, I have 3 of them here, and we're gonna use my extension cord from the fountain. So we'll borrow that. It's something I enjoy doing for my collection as well as for my channel. I've done a bunch of drilling videos. I'll go ahead and link up my drilling videos in the description box so you can see the process of how I drilled my pots. So Catherine, why don't we start with your largest one? Where did you get this pot?
This was a set. There were there might have been one more of these actually. They came from, believe it or not, Rite Aid.
Oh,
I
okay.
cannot
Never
believe my
bought
Rite Aid.
planters there.
I know. I think it's because it's a city pharmacy or a city drugstore, and it tends to have things like housewares. It's a little more expansive as far as the offerings there. So I think that's why they have this plant section with dirt and pots and things like that. Super, super cheap. They were on sale, 50% off. So I may have gotten like 3 pots for like $19.99.
Okay, I think that's a deal. So I'm gonna use the largest drill bit on yours. So all you need, very simple, some water and your drill with the drill bit. And this will probably take various times of length depending on the type of material. You'd be surprised, my smallest pots probably take the longest for me to drill a hole through. I don't know why. And some pots I drill through right away. So I guess it depends on the type of material and how thick it is. So I like to get my drill bit on the end part of the drill, and let's just go ahead if it sees it's on.
Or make like a little divot first?
Yeah, so I like to put my drill bit on like on the edge, and then I also like to pour water onto the surface. And I also have Ebby's doggy pad underneath, so it's a quick cleanup.
Good idea.
Because if not, you'll have a really hard time cleaning it up. It's gonna go everywhere, especially if it's terracotta. You'll start seeing it just splash everywhere. Does it spray? Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like being at the dentist.
So I have Evie's doggy pad under there, and it also it helps to like kind of keep a little padding underneath so it doesn't really move. So when I did the drilling video with my grandma, I had her hold on to the pot while I did the drilling. I'm gonna bring up the point of view closer so you can see what I'm working with. So here is the pot. As you can see, Ebby's pad is underneath there.
You want this one out of the way?
And
move that one.
These are the pots we'll be working with in a second. So Kat, you can help me hold on to the pot and let's go for it. I'm gonna fast forward through this section so you don't have to hear the drilling. There it is. That kind of took a while. Whew. So here is Catherine's drilled hole.
It kind of kicks up a breeze. Like, I feel like you're working hard, but it's like those stationary bikes with the fan. Like you're working hard, but
Yeah.
you're getting a little breeze.
So here's
Beautiful,
one.
Jewelyn. It's so perfect.
Yeah.
Can you guys see that hole? Oh, you did such a good job.
So I try my
I
best.
love
Abby
it.
wants attention.
Abby
Next one.
and I miss each other.
All right, next one.
Next one.
Kat, where did you get
Next
this
size
pot?
down, same thing. Okay, same in the set. From
All
the right.
Abby's acting crazy. So let's do smaller. So I lock my drill. This girl. All right, here we go.
Much faster.
That was so fast.
Much faster.
Oh my goodness. So here is the second pot.
Okay.
Here's the next pot. Kat, where did you get this one from?
So I don't know if you all that have Trader Joe's in your neighborhood are taking advantage of this, but every once in a while they have pots like this that are wonderful for gift giving. But if I buy them because I like the succulents inside, they usually have a combination of about 4 or 5 succulents. Then I take the succulents out immediately and I'm left with a lot of these with no holes.
Right. Okay.
Let's solve that problem, Jewelyn.
All right. Trying. Okay. Got the smallest drill bit on.
Water.
Yep. Water. And I go on an angle and I start from there and I slowly move the drill to the top. So it's a process. That was so easy.
30 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
30 seconds maybe?
You never know which pot is gonna be really easy to drill through and which is gonna be like really hard. So Kat,
These worry me because they're so small. Do you think we can do it, Jewelyn, or no?
I can try.
Okay.
Yeah. But again, because it's terracotta, it's going to be splashing everywhere.
Oh, I think that's a slug. No? Yeah, slug.
Oh my gosh, don't touch it. What are you doing? Oh, gross.
It's just nature.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
You think it'll stay?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll try. There's the splatter. I told you.
I feel like we're at the Blue Man Group.
Oh my goodness. So here is the hole. Are you happy with that?
It's good.
Okay, now as you can see, this whole thing has splatters. So just be careful when you drill terracotta.
It's like we went on the log ride.
Catherine, what are you going to do about that slug?
Return it to nature, but not by your plants.
Thank you. Okay, here we go. Last one. There you go.
One more.
Oh, we have one more.
Yeah, we have one more.
Okay. One more. Let's lock the drill and see
Hanging
what
basket.
I have.
Hanging basket.
So would you like a smaller one or a medium size?
I think medium.
All right. Here we go. Last pot. Yeah, you'd be surprised which one takes
This one
longer.
looks like it'll take a long time,
All
doesn't
right,
it?
we'll see. Water.
This slug's getting really happy over here. I don't know if you guys can see.
Yeah, it's right there. Oh my goodness.
It likes your yard.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was gonna take forever.
Will you
Kat.
be able to lift your right arm tomorrow?
Oh my god, I don't know. I'm going to dance school tomorrow. Here's Catherine's beautiful hole. Oh my goodness. High five. That was a lot of work. And that was just a few pots. You want to bring them up while I clean up the space? It was very useful to have Ebby's pad because this whole thing is just splattered with mess. So a quick cleanup, and then I like to use the pad and just kind of wipe down the area with it, the spots that are not dirty, for a quick cleanup. So Kat, are you excited about your pots being drilled up?
I'm so excited. I feel, well actually I was running out of pots.
Okay.
So this is good. It's perfect timing. And I feel after seeing you do that, like, I'm confident. I think I could do that.
Okay.
I needed to see it though in person.
All right, it was not that bad at all. I've had pots that took me way longer than what we did today.
I think this guy was the
longest.
That was the longest, and I could feel just holding on how much of an effort that was for Jewelyn to get through this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was a toughie.
But I got through all of them. I used all 3 different drill
Even
bits.
the little ones, unbelievable.
Yep, so I used all 3 drill bits, 3 different sizes. They have seen so many pots. So look at my channel. I have lots of planting with Jewelyn and drilling up pot videos to inspire you. I like to do these once a month. I love thrifting for pots, and I feel like a lot of pots nowadays anyway don't come with holes.
I know. Thank you so much for doing this for me, because actually you brought these pots to life, because I'm not a big fan of doing things with pots with no holes. At least like this size, I think I would probably take a plastic liner or like a plastic container and poke holes and put it inside this, but not all plants can survive like that. And definitely for these little guys, if they don't have holes, then I only use them for like a seedling or a little baby. And you know, otherwise when that got big enough, I would pop it out and this would go underneath my baker's rack where I keep my things. So they're a little bit less useful to me if they don't have holes. So thank you very much for giving them some life.
You're welcome. So if you guys are interested in seeing Catherine back on the channel and you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button and join my really cool plant community. I've worked so hard now. I've like over 500 videos, Kat. I know. So Catherine's always a special guest on my channel. I love going over to her home. I love doing come with me's with Catherine, and we've did a bunch of hauls together. I can't even pick and choose which haul video I love the most. We've done haul videos at plant festivals, at flea markets, and even at a park. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing Catherine on the channel. I also enjoy seeing me drill up pots. It's very easy, and I like doing that for the channel to help inspire you to drill holes in your pots.
Drill, baby, easy. Drill.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye.